You know, in true love, there are no conflicts. Guys, if there is no conflict, there is something wrong with the relationship. Guys, if it's true love, I would say making the effort might feel a little effortless. After falling in love, you're supposed to continue being in love. Yeah, being in love is lesser exciting, but it is more stable. And please do not put this in the basket of true love कि अगर उसका प्यार सच्चा प्यार है तो वो मेरा माइंड भी पड़ेगा. जिंदगी में प्यार सिर्फ एक बार होता है, okay? If it happens once, that's your true love, and any love after that is not true for some reason. And I feel when you fall in love with someone, what it basically means is, I love this feeling within me when I'm with you. Love can happen more than once for sure. Guys, any guesses what day it is today? Come on, think. Okay, I'll give you a clue. I'm in red. I have a bouquet of flowers, which are also red. There is this whole romantic vibe happening, guys. What day is it? Okay, last clue. It's 9 months before Children's Day. Fine, let me say it. It's Valentine's Day, guys. First of all, happy Valentine's Day from me to you. Wishing you all lots and lots of love. Now, first of all, I want to clarify कि ये जो Valentine's Day का त्योहार है, it's about celebrating love in all forms, right? You can love a person in so many different ways. But of course, we'll be talking more about the romantic kind of love. You know the kind that they mention in songs? जहाँ कहते हैं कि यार रात को नींद नहीं आती, दिन को सपने देखता हूँ, भूख नहीं लगती, प्यास नहीं लगती, those kind of lyrics. Yeah, that is the kind of love we're going to be talking about. Now, all of us want that, I don't know, butterflies in the stomach kind of love, 365 days, 24 hours. That is also love. I'm not here to spoil it for you, but there is a lot more to true love. And I'm here to bust a few myths. So let's get started. You know, love fixes everything. Guys, I wish I could say yes. No, it does not fix everything. I think it turns everything upside down. Your whole universe can be turned upside down. I would just say that love makes it worth dealing with that chaos that happens after. It does not fix anything. If it's true love, it should feel effortless. Guys, this is not true love. No! Guys, if it's true love, I would say making the effort might feel a little effortless, but effort still has to be made. That's the whole point of it being called love. That you're willing to put in effort, you're willing to do that extra work, you're willing to walk that extra mile for this person. But because it is true love, you don't mind taking that effort. True love should feel like butterflies in your stomach. Forever. Ideally, yes, guys. Ideally, it should feel like butterflies. Ideally, it should feel like that overexcitement that you can't handle. I only wish it were like that. That's not the case. एक तो पहले guys, अगर butterflies आपको 24/7, 365 days हो तो it can be really, really bad for your health. Okay, because it's overexcitement. And you may not realize that you need to drink water or get some sleep or eat food. So that is not what love is. That is, I would say, falling in love. You know that phase of falling in love? जहाँ love होना शुरू होता है और ये दो इंसान हैं जो फोन को छोड़ नहीं सकते या तो perpetually मैसेज कर रहे हैं, perpetually messaging, perpetually on the phone, and if they're not on the phone because they have to be in the bathroom, they're still thinking of that person. Yeah, that is falling in love, guys. After falling in love, you're supposed to continue being in love. Yeah, being in love is lesser exciting, but it is more stable. It is healthier for your nervous system, and it is good for an overall feeling of security. That I have this person who's my source of all things beautiful, and I like being with this person. That is called being in love. Guys, there are no butterflies there. It's just a very, very sweet, nice, slightly slow feeling as compared to falling in love. But do not be under the impression that that is not love. In my opinion, that is true love, and that is where the actual love is tested.
Love automatically means compatibility.
I don't know from where to start for this. Guys, compatibility has no connection with love. I mean, of course, you will try a little more to be compatible with someone you love. But I know a lot of people who have friend-zoned people whom they were very compatible with. ठीक है, तो love is when you're willing to dive into it. आप बहुत चीज़ों पे अग्री नहीं करोगे, आपके झगड़े हो सकते हैं, arguments, difference of opinion, take on life, lot of things. but you want to do this inconvenient incompatibility with this person only. Guys, that is love. It does not guarantee compatibility, but again, it's something you will wish to attempt with the person you're in love with. You know, in true love, there are no conflicts. Guys, if there is no conflict, there is something wrong with the relationship. I did not agree with this statement and I fought with anyone who said it. That यार अगर थोड़ा झगड़ा नहीं हो रहा तो उतना deep प्यार नहीं है जितना आप सोच रहे हो. No, that's far from the truth. Guys, if you are in love with someone and you want to kind of, go deeper into each other, into knowing each other, spending more time together, there will be conflicts. That's when you know you have kind of, reached this very, I'm not getting the right word. Yeah, deep place with this person. Superficially, polite होना, झगड़ा ना करना बहुत easy है. Because we are meeting people socially, we meet people formally, we don't have fights with them. Because it's all, maybe a little fake also. It's like, oh, good morning, how are you? Great, please come home, it's all good. Yeah, that's what we do with people whom we are not fully in love with. But झगड़ा किसके साथ होता है? Actual conflict that kind of gets you very, very angry is always and only with someone that you are very deeply in love with. Because you're so connected to them, I think you get affected by what they say, what they think, whether they agree with you or not. So guys, the deeper you feel love for someone, the more there is a chance there will be conflict. And I would recommend you take that in a good way. If they truly love you, they'll already know what you want. Guys, love does not turn a guy into a mind reader. That, what, if I have to tell him what I want, then I don't want it anymore. He should assume and guess what I want and give it to me. And from what I know, most guys are very, very direct creatures. उनको subtle hints समझ में नहीं आते. You can't drop hints and hope he will pick on the hint and then figure what you want. When typically you say no to a guy, he will assume the answer is no and you meant a no. Okay, or if you say yeah, I'm fine, he will think you're fine. So guys, no matter how much you love someone, please take the effort to express what you really want. I think that is one of the more beautiful things about love, that you should want to share with the opposite person what is it that you love and what is it that you like. And please do not put this in the basket of true love कि अगर उसका प्यार सच्चा प्यार है तो वो मेरा mind भी पड़ेगा. That is for tarot card. But the person you are fully in love with, please let them know what it is that you like and what it is that you want. Love should be grand and loud. No guys, not always. I know we are influenced by the movies we have seen or by social media or by the music videos we see. जहाँ पे कोई proposal होता है बहुत ही grand तरीके में. Probably near the Taj or near Eiffel Tower or some very exotic place. Maybe in a hot air balloon. Maybe it's in the sky where this person writes this girl's name. It's all great. We love it, no doubt. But do not be under the impression that true love has to be big and grand in that way. I know a lot of couples who have no PDA, okay? They will not have public displays of affection. You'll see them very normally existing in the public eye. But when they are with each other, it is almost like that's the universe. There's nothing beyond that. So honestly, true deep love kind of gets shown in very, very subtle ways. Sometimes you remember that your partner really likes this book and place an order for it. Sometimes you remember this person really likes tea being made like this, so you learn how to make it. Sometimes you remember, oh, they really like this song, maybe I should learn how to sing it. It does not matter. Love can be expressed in the smallest of ways, and just because it's big and grand, or just because it's not big and grand, does not mean that's not true love. One life, one love. Guys, not at all. I think आज के generation तो ये जानती है, but हम बेचारे जो 90s में पले बड़े, I think this was part of every single movie. कि जिंदगी में प्यार सिर्फ एक बार होता है, okay? If it happens once, that's your true love, and any love after that is not true for some reason. So supposedly, I interpreted it as, oh, which means that crush I had at 13 was true love. And the whatever I had after that was like some kind of fake love. No guys, not at all. It is a feeling that happens within you. And I feel when you fall in love with someone, what it basically means is, I love this feeling within me when I'm with you. It's actually got nothing to do with the opposite person. It's the opposite person awakens a certain feeling in you, वो बहुत बार हो सकता है. You can always find love again, just in case you're heartbroken, single, or you thought you were with the love of your life, but it didn't go in that direction or fructify into something more permanent. I'm here to tell you love can happen at any age, at any stage. That is what is so beautiful about our life. Yeah guys, so just to clarify once more, love can happen more than once for sure. So guys, that was my take on love. Here's wishing you a very happy Valentine's Day, and may you get very, very lucky in love.